Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you how to make a DIY aloe vera leave-in conditioner. So here's the aloe vera I'll be using. I got it fresh from my garden, so I will just be cutting it open like this to take out the juice. This DIY leave-in conditioner helps to moisturize dry and damaged hair. It straightens the hair. It helps with hair growth. Aloe vera has a lot of health benefits and it's very essential for the skin too.
You're a pretty fine girl and have a pretty fine waist on her. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste on her. Ha! She feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha! She's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at you come back again. What's up for me? Pay a chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby, carry the go for a bad man.
So after taking out the juice, I'm going to be blending it in my food processor, or you can use a blender, whichever one. Now I'll add in a bit of water to blend. So after blending, I'm going to sieve it with a filter. This is to prevent those white patches sticking to your hair when you apply it. So these are the residues I was talking about. So next, I am going to add in some essential oils. As for me, I have the castor oil, which I'm adding now, and extra virgin olive oil. You can add as much oil as you want. It could be almond oil, coconut oil, whichever one you have at home. So after adding, I'm just going to mix everything together. Next, I'm going to be pouring it in a spray can to apply on my hair. So guys, this is our DIY aloe vera leave-in conditioner. It is very easy to make. So we have come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.